What they are and why the body needs them to function. In a perfect world, we would get all the minerals we need from the foods we eat, but unfortunately our soils aren't as healthy as they used to be. Because of heavy food processing and poor diets in general, most people don't get nearly enough of them. The result is widespread mineral deficiency and an epidemic of chronic disease. So, what are trace minerals? By definition, a mineral is really any inorganic substance that occurs naturally and has an orderly crystalline structure. Rocks, metals, and soils all contain minerals, as does the water in the Earth's oceans. If you recall the periodic table of elements from science class, you'll find many minerals listed there as well. Minerals can also be energetic, bearing a unique vibrational charge that gives them special catalyzing potential. Note, catalyzing means to cause or accelerate a reaction. These types of minerals are absolutely vital for the human body, though in much smaller quantities than what you'd find in a slab of granite, for instance. Of the 103 known mineral varieties, at least 18 of them, and likely far more, fall into the trace mineral category and are recognized as playing a critical role in human health. These include iron, zinc, magnesium, manganese, copper, phosphorus, molybdenum, iodine, chromium, potassium, selenium, sodium, chloride, sulfate, and boron. Our bodies require each and every one of these trace minerals in proper balance to facilitate health and well-being. Much like how elemental minerals buttress rocks and other solid structures, trace minerals serve as reinforcement for bones, cartilage, and other bodily tissue. While they might appear solid and unchanging, your body's bone structure is in constant repair and renewal. Trace minerals function as the lattice architecture. Calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium are among the primary minerals that keep bones healthy and strong. The cellular system also relies on trace minerals to produce red blood cells, also known as erythrocytes, that deliver oxygen throughout the body for energy production. These red blood cells specifically require iron in order to transport this oxygen. Without it, there would be no magnetism, so to speak, to draw in the oxygen, resulting in a total breakdown of the energy creation process. Your muscles and central nervous system also require trace minerals in order to facilitate nerve impulses. Without them, the muscles in your heart would fail to contract, your brain would stop functioning, and your organs and body wouldn't be able to move or flex. Among those trace minerals needed to facilitate the healthy functioning of these important systems is potassium, which helps to maintain the proper balance of water inside your cells. A strong functioning immune system is contingent upon trace minerals as well. Your immune system requires minerals such as zinc to fight infections, heal wounds, and repair damaged cells. Selenium further supports the body's ability to ward off heart problems and even protect against the formation of cancer cells. Trace minerals may further help to nourish hair and skin, enhance circulation, improve digestion and bowel function, facilitate the transfer of nutrients across cell membranes, regulate the body's maintenance and growth of cellular and muscle tissue, balance the contraction and relaxation of muscle tissue, provide both structural and functional support for the body's vital systems, normalize pH levels and prevent an overly acidic state inside the body, improve cellular communication, liquefy stagnant and toxic lymphatic fluid, and facilitate countless other metabolic processes important for maintaining life. Here's a particularly interesting fact about trace minerals. When they're present in high enough amounts in the bloodstream, the end product is not much different than the composition of natural seawater. That's right, healthy blood plasma contains roughly the same concentration of minerals as the ocean. One way to avoid mineral deficiency is to consume plenty of traditional foods produced in harmony with nature. This means fruits and vegetables grown organically, and of course trace minerals. Conventional produce is typically grown in dead soils that are heavily sprayed with pesticides and herbicides that further deplete their mineral content. If you eat meat, Stick with grass-fed, pastured varieties. Grasses and plants are loaded with vitamins and trace minerals that end up in the meat. There are also dietary supplements on the market that can help replenish your body with highly bioavailable ionic trace minerals. Those derived from natural seawater will often contain the full spectrum of ionic trace minerals for maximum potency. God bless. See you next time.
Medical information disclaimer. This video contains general medical information. The information in this video is only for educational purposes. The medical information is not advice and should not be treated as such. You must not rely on the information in our videos as an alternative to medical advice from your doctor or other professional healthcare provider. My channel Health Tips by Shah Ji provides valuable information on how to stay healthy and fit. You can learn about the latest health trends and tips to help you stay healthy. Health Tips by Shah Ji is the perfect resource for anyone looking to improve their overall health and well-being.